Hi guys, this is Ola from Cardbond, and this is the last in the series for our component model for our ship wheel. And in this we're going to be modeling a nail using the same procedure that we used in the previous video for our rivet. So I already have the nail dimensions with me, so I do not need to go ahead to demonstrate what I did in the previous video. For this standard part of our nail, we begin by creating our sketch on this plane, and for this we start by creating, I would say, just random shapes that look as close as possible to what we try to achieve at the end. So we know that a nail looks like this. By all means, something like this and goes this way, and also the. Alright, so when we have this kind of a shape, the next thing for us to do would be to place dimensions and probably constraints also. So I begin by placing the first dimension, which is the length of the nail part, that is from here to here, should be 20 should be 20 millimeters. Yeah. So, and then the diameter of the nail is 2, so we would make these 1 millimeter. Next, let's see, the dome, or the top part of the nail has a diameter of 4.7625. So 4.7625, I'll do it this way. Alright, so what we do next is I'm going to drag this circle downwards, drag this point also, and just bring them closer to this point here, something as this. Alright, the next thing for us to do would be, I would place a constraint between this and this point, and then we have the height of the dome to be 2 millimeters. So I'll say this to this point. We make it, should we make it 2? 1 looks good enough. Let's see what 2 looks like. This is crazy. So let's just make this 1.5 millimeters in height there. Alright, next I will just drag this closer so that everything looks compact and nice. And then lastly, we would create an angle here. So we say this should probably be something like 45 degrees is fine. Alright, so we have this. We finish our sketch. We go over to revolve, and then we select our profiles 1 and 2 axis, and this is our axis. With this we have our nail. We say okay, and then it is completed. Alright, so this would be the end of our modeling for the components to be used in the assembly process. And with all of this, our next step is going to be to create our assemblies. Alright, go ahead, you can save your files, and then I'll catch you up in the next video.